Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide profile banners in OnlyFans. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in onlyfans.com. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials, then sign in into your OnlyFans account. Now, on your screen at the bottom, you're gonna see options like home, notifications, new post, chat, and your profile icon. And if you go to top right corner, you're gonna see two icons there, a small search icon and the three-dot menu. Tap on the three-dot menu, then you'll see options like show or hide locked posts, hide or show all promotional posts, and hide or show the profile banners. Go ahead and tap on hide the profile banners, then you'll successfully hide profile banners in OnlyFans. And guys, that's it. That's how you hide profile banners in OnlyFans. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.